Warmest greetings from the beautiful city of Xiamen.
As industry leaders in safety and operations, we have a duty to manage today's risks whilst anticipating and preparing for the risks of tomorrow. Global standards are the bedrock of aviation.
各位嘉宾、各位朋友，中国是未来较长时期全球最具增长潜力的航空市场之一。
I also would like to acknowledge the strong partnership between ICAO and IATA, which was grown steadily through our collaboration.
Safety is a precondition of development.
Our employees, they are very well trained. They have a good safety performance. That we save money and we make profit out of it.
The supply chain issue puts pressure on our operational safety strategy decisions.
Aviation is simply a great ecosystem where we all rely on each other.
We need greater transparency on the part of the OEMs. I think it's important that we better understand what are the real problems impacting on the supply chain.
Flight operations is the culmination of it all. It's like the orchestra coming together. We're all part of that orchestra, and all the inputs we put in bring a safe flight together.
Understanding regulatory standards, know not only what, but why. Systems are standards, not constraints.
The way how the pilots have to deal with the day-to-day business is a completely change.
The line between the traditional safety risk and the cybersecurity risk is blurring today.
We live in a world of we run from one crisis to the next one.
It's not about data, it's not about your software crunching those numbers. Risk management is about people.
We all want to achieve something which is beyond the compliance.
Aviation is a system of systems.
The technology is only as good as how well we have trained our instructors.
In this crisis response, the serious actions not only stabilize the safe operation, but also significantly enhance the resilience and our global operational capabilities.
The ability to learn is very important.
People don't know what lithium batteries are, bottom line.
What we are seeing with Gen Z is that they do prefer their comms through social media.
There's a certain risk that you can't look after by yourself as an organization.
Well, now we need to transition to a concept of resilient operational networks.
Pragmatic, not dogmatic. How often are we going for the 110% solution? Perfection may be the enemy of good enough.
In safety, there is no such thing as a small matter.
The safety culture is begins from the front lines. The managers don't discover the risks, but the employees do.
We aim to equip our crew with insight, confidence to respond to this event swiftly and efficiently.
The aviation and telecom industries are not competitors. We are on the same team.
Mastering crisis communication isn't just a PR strategy. Is a strategic imperative.
Coordinate family briefings because it's not a PR exercise. It is such a vital part of your operational response is to communicate.
Innovate collaboratively to build capacity to ensure safety and efficiency.
Safety first. And safety first in our world should lead to efficiency, which then helps with schedule and productivity.
We have 850 participants representing 62 countries from around the world. We are extremely grateful to Xiamen Airlines, our host airline, for their generous support and warm hospitality.